discovering your support system. The road to mental well-being can be challenging, but you don't have to face it by yourself. Connect with those who truly understand and uplift you. Being part of a supportive community is more than just receiving help. It's about finding renewed hope. United, we grow, heal, and create a future we can all take pride in. Community is the key to healing. Find yours now. Together, we offer strength, insight, and kindness. When we come together, the journey to recovery becomes clearer and more attainable.